Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you a really small Dollar Tree haul. So this is probably the smallest haul that I have ever shown you guys. And I'm going to limit myself to these items for as fall decor. And I don't think I need anything, and I certainly don't need to pick up anything else for the season. So a couple of weeks, this is collective. I picked up this thankful sign and I love the buffalo check on it. So I picked up this one. They have another one that says grateful, but I left it there in the store. And then I went to two different Dollar Trees, my local ones, and I didn't pick these up the first time trying to watch my coins, and they were all gone and I regretted it. And I saw them at the next one, so I picked up two of these. And I have a video, guys, on some pumpkins that have like a hollow middle, and I stacked those last year. I'll make sure I link that video below. And so to pick those pumpkins up, if you're interested in doing that DIY, because this is the time to get them because they'll be all gone. So I also picked up one of those cream ones. I should have picked up two, I don't know why. And then the green one, I was at the checkout and I was just getting it really quickly. And then I found the velvet pumpkin. So I saw these in someone's haul and I was hoping that I was able to find them. So I got two of, they really look closely, they almost look the same color, but they're different. This is more of a cream, or not cream, but a beige. And then this is more of a brown velvet. I just love the velvet pumpkins. They also had like the emerald green, but I got the teal color and I thought it was really pretty. The emerald green was really pretty too. And then I picked up the ivory cream color. They also had some that had like glitter and stuff on them, but I just wanted the regular ones without the glitter. And then also they had this sign. I thought I could paint over it if I don't necessarily want to see the words or do some kind of DIY. Gather with grateful hearts. And they also have the one that was in black that I think I saw on Instagram, and I was like, I didn't see that, and it was really pretty. I also picked up 8 of these, guys, and these are the storage containers. I don't know if I guess they can collapse, but I redid my closet and it's not all hopified yet. I have to edit that video. I may record it again because I kind of want it a little bit shorter, but I just want it functional and it's clutter free. I threw like 3 bags of clothes away, a whole bunch of other stuff, and I have it so organized. I had a mess, y'all. It's ridiculous. I'm a little embarrassed, but anyway, I picked up 8 of these to put like my wallets in, some of them, my gloves, my hats, just everything at a reach of, or touch, everything within reach, so I know where everything is. So I'm really happy with that and how it came out. And lastly, what I picked up that was not necessities like soap and toilet paper or paper towels or whatever I may have picked up is these items for the school supplies for back to school. And so this came with another little larger pouch together, and I picked this up. I really didn't need, but I just thought that the whole entire pattern was super cute. And then this pouch here, it looks like it feels like it's made out of some type of recycled material. I don't know what it's called, but I thought it'd be cute to like stick like my Hobonichi planner in. And then I already opened the highlighters, and I believe they had notebooks and composition books in folders maybe, and all of these patterns and these here. And I like these pens. They write really well. I used to write with these when I was driving the bus. So regardless of the temperature, I would leave it on the bus and it will still write. So I really like those. And I didn't get the composition book and the notebook of this. I said no. I even told my husband to talk me out of it. And he went and he put them back up. So I was really happy about that because I've been doing really good at just watching what I'm spending. I'm so proud of myself for doing that. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys find some of these goodies if you're looking for them. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.